Today we'll talk about customization of the phonetic setting, which means to define what a set of keys will produce a corresponding letter in the desired language. So we start by going to our Tools, Write My Language add-on, and we will see here the Symbols tab. Now symbols here is where you customize your phonetic setting. So symbols are characterized into two families, letters and bundles. Letters are distinct characters of the desired language. In this case, Armenian, we have 38 letters along with our punctuation marks. We see here the character, the capital, the description of the letter, and the different patterns that will produce this character. Now, for example, to write the letter K, the Armenian letter K that is, let's find it here. We have two different patterns, K and Q. To see the details, double-click on the letter or click the Patterns button, and we get here a pattern definition window. Now in this window, we see that if we type the letter K, the writer will give us two options, Kim and K, as a second option. But if we type the letter Q, the writer will print the Armenian letter K without options. Now let's give this a try. Let's open our writer and type the letter K, and we see that we have two options. Now if I hit the K again, I can get the second option. But if I type the letter Q only, the letter K would print without giving any options. Now if you want to change the order of the options list for typing the pattern K, we simply go back to the pattern definition window. And we click on an option and change its priority with the up and down arrows. Now I've changed the priority. To save the option, click OK, and let's go back to our writer. Now I type the letter K, and we get the Armenian letter K as the first option. As another example, let's see the pattern definition for the letter ut. We see that we use the pattern E that will give us three options of yich, e, and ut. In order to simplify the process of writing ut, we define a unique pattern of the letter U in the new pattern text box by typing the letter U. We add it to the list and we save it. Now after saving this pattern, you can type the letter by just typing the letter U. Now that we talked about how to use the Letter tab, let's go to the Bundles tab. A bundle is defined as a combination of letters with phonetic characters different from its component letters. So for example, as we see here, the bundle U is made up of letters Vo and Vyun that if combined will sound as U. Let's define a new bundle, Yan, that is the common ending of Armenian last names. We click Add, and we get a list of all the letters to choose from. To construct our bundle, we double-click on every single letter we need. Yich, Ip, and Nu. We give a bundle our name, and in this case, in the bundle description, I'm going to call it Armenian Yan, and we click OK. Now we see the bundle listed in the Bundles tab. To print this bundle in the writer, we need to define its pattern by clicking the Pattern button. I type Yan here and click Add, and it's added to the list, and I click OK to save that. Now, let's type the Armenian last name Garabedyan. We open up our writer, and I type Garabedin, and I got the defined bundle yan as a first option, having the regular e, ip, nu as a second option. Now this completes the installation and customization of Write My Language. Enjoy!